I'm making drinks based off of all the original 151 Pokemon as a series over on my TikTok. And I'm starting with Bulbasaur, which is actually one of my favorite Pokemon. I don't know, it's just so cute. But what I'm thinking for this drink is kind of a blue base for like the base level drink. And then I want to garnish it with something with lime, and I want kind of like that green color that he has on top, but he has like a lighter blue on the bottom. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But first, for that blue base, I think I want to do something with pineapple, non-alcoholic blue curacao, and probably just a little bit of lime juice to balance out that acidity. Yeah, that should be good. I think the thing that should really make this work is hopefully the pineapple. It should make the blue colors a little less dark blue and more like light blue. Yeah. Should also add that nice depth that works really well with the other flavors. Hopefully. But yeah, let's add everything into the shaker and see how it is. Okay, so I gave it a try. I think I'm gonna do a little bit less lime juice. I was doing a whole ounce. That was just too much. With the acidity already there from the pineapple, I just didn't really need it. And it's not really doing much for the color. So let's retry it and try it again. Okay, take two, much better. I think this is my final recipe, which is 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of non-alcoholic blue curacao, and ½ an ounce of lime juice. Is very good. But now I have to figure out what I'm gonna do for garnish, because he has like that green bump on his back. I don't know how to recreate that. So it's time to get creative, or schizophrenic, maybe a little bit of both. Okay, so essentially my thought process here is I'm trying to create like the little bump on the back of Bulbasaur's back. Yeah, bump on the back of the back. I said what I said. So I'm gonna cut this lime in half. And then this is gonna be our top part. So I wanna get a little mint sprig like sticking out of right there. For that, I need a hole. Context. Luckily, I have this beautiful ice pick. And ideally, I'm able to grab our little mint sprig and kinda, oh, no, the hole needs to be bigger. Okay, as I was saying, I should now be able to stick that mint sprig in there and kind of have it sticking out of the top, just like that. And yeah, now we have our garnish for our drink. So yeah, I guess now let's give this a taste test. See if all our hard work paid off. Ooh, I actually really like those flavors. That is really different than what I expected. The non-alcoholic blue curacao and pineapple go so interestingly together. Yeah, that's really cool. I would give this non-alcoholic drink 9 Pokeballs out of 10. That's actually really, really good.